What's up everyone, this is how we made the FPV drone golf shot where we hit the golf ball and followed it with the drone.
These are going to be behind the scenes, never seen before footage of SkySyncFPV and how we get our shots. Again, thank you so much to Sunset Grove Golf Course for having us out here today. Jeez. That is a little fast. All right, here we go. Pass number 1. Sunset Golf Course.
Ready?
Viral FPV drone golf shot.
Swing.
Oh yeah, definitely a little later.
Yeah.
All right, so basically, come around like pretty low, like right where my club is. And then I'm gonna swing, and then you follow it.
Start at medium height.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Swing.
Just getting some shots up here until we got the perfect shot.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Go. I lost that one. I lost that.
Yeah, that was too early and not straight. You want to try a different tactic or?
I'm gonna change the battery out.
All right, we're changing the battery.
Is there any way you can keep them just a little lower?
Yeah, I can do some low ones.
You confident with that?
No, but I can try. Got the drone on full power, 60, 50 miles an hour. Any of them you thought?
There were some good ones in there. It's just gotta get a feel down for it, which is just being a little bit difficult, but you know, I'm getting it.
Yeah. All right, guys, battery number 2. Still out here filming. We're gonna try a brighter ball, see if that maybe makes it a little easier to see on the camera. Guys, if you're still watching, make sure to leave a comment what video you want us to do next. We're always looking for some great new ideas, and we want to hear what you guys want to see. Viral FPV drone golf shot. This one's been fun to film. They've been super nice here, letting us come out 2 days in a row now. We've been just grinding, trying to get this shot. Thank you so much, Sunset Golf Course, for having us out, man. Maybe I can get one that actually goes on the green. Just having a good time out here.
Ready? Swing. Oh! Yo, wait.
Is that it?
That was it.
You got it too on the bounce?
No. Yo, I didn't even lose it.
You didn't lose it the whole time?
No, I saw it the whole time.
All right, guys, let us know what you think of the viral DJI golf shot. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully you guys like it.
This is the shot. Ready?
This is it?
This is so it.
Great
I'm coming in fast. Ball right there.
Oh,
ball right there.
Man.
Ball falls right there. Bounces. I slow way down to get it.
We got the shot, baby.
Bro,
we got the shot.
That was good too.
We got the viral shot. That is insane. That is a good shot too. All right, everyone, we just finished up. Hope you guys enjoyed different type of video, the viral FPV drone shot.
Thanks for watching, everybody. It was fun to film. It was fun to edit, and hopefully everybody enjoyed watching it.
Yeah, amazing lighting out here today. We could not have asked for a better day out here. It's been amazing, super fun time. Again, Sunset Golf Course in Portland. If you guys are interested, make sure to check them out.